ಆಯಾಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ b plus b bar c b plus d. Okay, here I will take it as, first I will take it as y is equal to b plus bc b plus b bar c b plus d. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply the first two terms. Okay, is equal to b into b plus b into b bar c b into b bar c plus next bbc like this. Okay, next plus b, I will take it as bc b bar c. Okay, next here close the bracket b plus d. Okay, next here we know the rules. Okay, apply rule number 8. Okay, you should know the rules ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Next here, sorry, b bar c is equal to 0, bc b bar c is equal to 0. Okay, go to that all the laws. Okay, rules, go and refer the rules. Okay, next I will apply this one. Is equal to bb. Okay, bb plus b bar c is 0 plus next bbc. Okay, bbc bb. Okay, this one 0, I will take it as here like this, 0 plus next here bcb or bbc. Okay, next bc bar is also 0, b plus d is equal to bb plus bcd. What is this? This one bcb bbc, take it as bbc. Write neatly, bbc plus bb plus bbc. Okay, open bracket, next b plus d. Here next here bb is equal to b, next bcb is equal to bc. I will apply. Okay, next bb in the sense here b plus bb, next bcb is equal to bc b plus d is equal to, next here take b common for the first term. I am taking b common here, 1 plus c b plus d. Here 1 plus c is equal to 1, 1 plus c is equal to 1. I will take it as b. Okay, next I will writing as b plus d is equal to, I am multiplying this one like this, bb plus bd. bb is nothing but b. Okay, otherwise I will take b common here. Next 1 plus d, 1 plus d is equal to 1 is equal to b into 1 is equal to b. This is your answer, y is equal to b. Next let me take one more example. Okay, let me take one more example. simplify the expression a b bar c bar plus a b bar c plus a b c. Here let me write again, y is equal to a b bar c bar plus a b bar c plus a b c. Now take a b bar common. Take a b bar common. Okay. If I take a b bar common, a b bar here c bar plus ಇಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. C bar plus C plus A B C. Next, apply rule number 8. We know that C plus bar is equal to 1. A B bar dot 1 plus A B C. Okay. Next, we know that A B bar dot 1 is equal to A B bar. Multiply. Okay. Here A B bar plus A B C. Okay. Here which is the common term? A. Okay. Common term is A. A B bar plus B C. Okay. We know that B bar plus B C is equal to B bar plus C. Okay. If you simplify this one, you will get this one. B bar plus B C is equal to B bar plus C. Both are equal. Apply rule number 18. This one. Sorry, rule number 11. Rule number 11. Okay. Next here, A B bar plus C. This is your final answer. Okay. Now next class, suppose in the next video I will explain like boolean expression forms and conversion. Okay. Because in the last ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು. ಈಗ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ this boolean expressions. Okay, simplifying the boolean expression. Now I will end this video.